Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's special class on vectors part 2, AP Deecet Math part B. Who did not watch previous day synopsis, do watch and like, share and subscribe. Let us move on towards class and next part will be the quiz. Please do participate. For that you need to have greater concentration in this video. First of all, let us learn about parallel and perpendicular conditions. Formulas for these. First of all, for parallel, if two vectors are parallel, for example, A bar and B bar, two vectors are given. If you want to find they are parallel, then the first and basic formula is equating the ratios of components. A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3. Remember these formulas. This is the same formula used even in collinear also. Another method is a cross product of two vectors should be 0. How will you do the cross product? Determinant I cap, j cap, k cap, a1, a2, a3, b1, b2, b3, that value should be 0. Then two vectors are said to be parallel. This is the condition for parallel. There are two parallel conditions. One is equating the ratios, another one is cross product is 0. Then it is said to be parallel. Let us see the perpendicular conditions. Two vectors are said to be perpendicular if their dot product is 0. Previously, parallel means cross product is 0. If perpendicular, then dot product should be 0. Let us see one example. A bar, B bar are given. Then prove they are perpendicular or orthogonal. Orthogonal means also the same thing. That is, angle is 90 degrees and it is perpendicular. Then if first formula is dot product is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. This is component product and sum. This is one formula. Another one will be the orthogonal condition. See this. In this example, I have used the components formula because they are given direct components. Then you will get the answer. The same sum I am doing for orthogonal condition. Suppose they already given in the question that given two vectors are orthogonal directly. Then find the unknown value k. In the previous, this is the same question as previous. Previously I have given k value as -4. Here you need to use the geometric formula which I have said you in the first video. Previously you have used components formula. Here both geometric and component formula are used. Dot product should be 0. Theta is 90 degrees. Then geometric formula for dot product is mod A mod B cos theta. Then cos 90 degrees will be 0. So on the LHS side, 8 plus 2k is equal to 0. K is equal to -4. So this is tallied and proved. In the previous question, you have seen that k value is -4. If the k value is already given and asked to prove perpendicular, then use the component formula. That is a dot b is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. If geometric formula is given and orthogonal if they are saying, take the theta value as 90 degrees. Second, next one. How to find two vectors are collinear. I said you in the first part, collinear means same as parallel condition. Just equate the ratios. A1 by B1 equal to A2 by B2 equal to A3 by B3. This is first method to find they are collinear. If they asked k value, when you equate the ratios, you will get the k value. Second one, if one vector is a scalar multiple of the other vector, they lie on the same parallel line, then also they are said to be collinear. That is, A bar is equal to KB bar, where k is some scalar multiple. Let us see the next one, how to find volume of parallelepiped. Volume is equal to magnitude of A bar dot B bar cross C bar. First you need to find B bar cross C bar. As I have said previously, cross product means finding the determinant. After finding the cross product, then do the dot product of A bar and B bar cross C bar. Then find the final magnitude for the resulting vector. That will be the volume of parallelepiped. Please take screenshots of every formula if you are not able to catch the video, if I am too speed. Because tomorrow you need to solve each and every question in the quiz. Area of the triangle. Area is equal to half mod A cross B bar. Suppose if three position vectors are given, then half mod of A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. In both the process, you need to first find the cross product using the determinants. Next, find the magnitude of the resultant vector. That is square root of A square plus B square plus C square. That is the formula for magnitude. And then multiply with half or divide by 2. Then finally you will get the area of triangle. Let us see the next one. Area of parallelogram. What is the diagram for parallelogram? This is the diagram for parallelogram. This will have diagonals as well. Opposite sides will be equal. Then area will be mod of A bar cross B bar. If adjacent vectors are given A bar and B bar, then directly do the cross product and find the magnitude. Then you will get the area. The second one is half mod D1 cross D2. That is diagonals cross product you need to find. And then find the magnitude and multiply with half or divide with 2. When diagonals are given, use this formula. Let us find the formula for internally and externally. This is for a line segment. Suppose this y, let it be as position vector r bar, is dividing PQ line segment in the ratio m is to n. Then internal formula will be r bar is equal to mb bar plus na bar by m plus n. If the same is dividing externally, then r bar is equal to mb bar minus na bar by m minus n. Simply multiply with m and n, that is the vectors a bar and b bar, and divide by that m plus n ratio. Then you will get the internally and externally division of this line segment in the ratio m is to n in vectors. These are the formulas, guys. You need to study them very thoroughly so that you could solve each and every problem in the tomorrow's quiz. And I am not going to give answers. Who are the first participants? I will see at least first 10 to 20 participants. Please post your answers in the comment box so that I could give you more tougher questions from vectors. Let us finish this chapter on vectors. Later, we will move to the next problems from previous question papers. Like, share and subscribe for part 3 quiz. And you are waiting for the part 3 quiz very eagerly. So, I'll post as soon as you study these formulas. Thank you.